Welcome to Captain Spiffy.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Preston here at Captain Spiffy World Headquarters, and we're going to put some running boards on an Epic E40FX. As everything else included in this bad boy, they've thought it all through. They're super easy to install. I'm going to show you the parts, and we're going to get it done. Okay, once we got everything out of the box, this is what we're looking at. As you can see, we have some longer and shorter 13 millimeter bolts. This is going to go in the middle of these sleeves all the way down. You put the end cap back, then you'll put these screws in place. Okay, once I have the end brackets installed, I'm going to start putting on your mounting brackets that are going to hold this to the golf cart. When I do this, I'm going to make sure to keep them loose so that when I put it up on the golf cart, I can adjust it to where it needs to be. These guys are going to go on here just like this. Bolt, washer, through the hole, nut on the other side. Obviously, we're going to mount it on the brackets already installed on the cart that come from the factory that way. Let me show you what it's going to look like. The first thing I want to tighten up are the bolts that are actually holding the brackets to the hangers that are installed on the cart from the factory. Some of these hangers make it so tight you can't get your impact in there, so I'm just using a wrench and a ratchet. Now before I tighten the nuts on the bottom side of the running board, I want to make sure that the running board itself is centered between the two wheels. Looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. There we go. This side's done. Let's get it done on the other side. Same thing on the other side. We got it all installed. Let's get this thing down on the ground and see how it looks. I'd say they turned out pretty good. Now we'll have to show you the difference between these and the side steps.